by and take a look at the 2017 X6. The X6 Sports Activity Coupe has broken all barriers and found itself in a class all of its own and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, rear view camera, heads-up display, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.